Hey guys, good morning. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is not super awesome, please still consider subscribing. Watching the whole video, even if you don't subscribe, at least just turn the volume down so you have to listen to me yammer. Share my videos, like my videos, send me your nice comments. Emphasis on nice, please. If you got a question for me, hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on the Facebook, and I'll be happy to try to answer. So what we got today is a flexi pipe out of a Ford Escape. This is pretty common that these things fail, so we're going to show you how we do it. If you notice, Jeff has got a clamp. We're going to show you the clamps, show you what the pipe was, tell you a little bit about how much it cost, and just real quickly how we took it out, just to keep the video super simple and super short as possible without my yammering. Let me turn on a little light. It was pretty easy down here. All we had to do was cut out the accordion flex pipe with the Sawzall. Pretty simple stuff. I think anybody can do that for sure. Okay, so the overall length of the accordion pipe slash flexi pipe that we bought is 10 inches long. We cut off the base, obviously you can tell that. It is 2-inch pipe, so we use the 2-inch exhaust clamp from Torca. Absolutely love these clamps. They're stainless steel, none of that goofy over the U-bolt clamp. That stuff is terrible. Obviously, we could weld this here in the shop, but it's just quicker to throw these two clamps on here. They're generally about 10 or 12 bucks a piece and worth every penny of it. I know the other ones are $2, but you can't go wrong with these things. You can take the exhaust back apart, and you never know when you're going to work on your car, especially if you've got something a little bit dated like this. Saving money is the best way to go. So it was a little bit over $40 or $50 here. We cleaned up the surface of that right there, and we're going to re-gasket that, and we'll obviously clean up the surface on the car, and then we'll install it. We'll show you here in a couple minutes what we get thrown in there, what it looks like, and how it turned out for you. Hey Jeff, you need the pipe for that there?
Yes. And the band clamp.
This was the 5th time that I asked him
here?
about this pipe. I'm surprised he wasn't irritated.
Oh, there you go.
And the band clamp?
Band clamp. Get you a band clamp. Small pair of pliers too. Oh, beggars. I feel you.
So right here we're tightening up the two 14mm nuts and bolts that hold the band clamps on. And a bunch of gibberish just coming out of my mouth, so I just sped it up. Make sure you're not like us and forget to put the gasket in between the two pipes that butt together. If you need new bolts, just run down to the hardware store and get some. Man, we did a great job. Looks great, and you can disassemble it easy if it ever breaks again. And she is quiet as a church mouse, sounds much better. Much more inexpensive repair than actually taking it to the muffler shop, and something you can definitely do in your driveway. So remember, if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and this was the Clay Way. Please consider subscribing. At the very least, turn the volume down and just let my videos play if I help you out. Have a great day. God bless you guys. Thank you so much for viewing.